Hi, this is Avika Gaur. Congratulations to Volga Video for 16 million subscribers. Please do subscribe to Volga Videos.
Namaskaram.
Can you speak in Telugu for us?
Hinnava?
That will be first. Are you in relation?
No. No one is that good enough, no? Very
Okay.
much single.
Did you dreamed any rumor to have for you?
Not really. I think you would be the perfect.
Face any casting couch or something like that?
I believe it's definitely there, but I have not faced till now.
So which type of character you like to choose? Right?
Romantic, of course.
Tollywood, Collywood, Mollywood and all. So
Yeah.
how was your experience?
I first started with Punjabi industry. I did.
So who's your favorite actor?
I like Junior NTR.
Okay.
So I've been a little bit disappointed with that because I was told that it's a family drama and the story revolves.
Yes. So two characters were ready, and if you want to choose a director in Telugu film industry, exactly.
Yeah. Rajamouli sir, why not? Like he's everyone's favorite.
Then how do you balance the nutritions and all?
I only eat plants. Hi guys, catch my interview with Diksha Sid only at.
Volga videos.
So tell me what's happening. The weather is so good
Yes.
in Dubai.
In Dubai and even in Hyderabad.
Oh sorry, in Hyderabad. I
So
completely
you're
forgot
still
I'm in
in
India
the,
right now.
you're still in Dubai senses and all. You are in the award senses and all.
Yeah, because I've recently moved off. I think the mind is still there because I think after moving to Dubai, I think this is my first visit to Hyderabad in like maybe 6 months. I think
Okay.
I came 2-3 months ago, only for one day for a shoot.
Okay.
But this time I stayed for 1 week because I've been shooting, so meetings are going on. Hopefully, we'll sign something
Mm-hmm.
good soon.
So we are so excited to know all the things. And Shobita, just tell me like which type of characterization you like more. Like different characterizations will be there
Yeah.
in the character artist.
Yeah.
So if you get a chance to choose a character for a film,
Yeah.
so which type of character you choose? Either it's like a crime investigation officer, or else woman oriented, or else a villain lady,
Yeah.
or else a very sentiment and innocent character, or else a romantic girl. All the different types of
Yeah.
shades will be there for an actress, right?
Yeah.
So which type of character you like to choose?
See, so to be honest, till now the films I've done, I've played like an innocent, homely girl. Like in my first film, Rajamiru Keka, I played a doctor. Then Shadow, I'm like an innocent girl. But I'm looking forward to do a film in which there is action. I think I'm very much interested in doing action because I think I'm good at it. I've done
And then martial arts
arts.
also, right?
Yes. And I'm so good in sports. I've won so many awards in school and I'm a very adventurous person. I do hikes. Whenever I'm there, I will do something which is like, adventurous. So I'm looking forward to something like an action movie where I can be the hero because in all our Telugu films, the heroes are doing action and I want a chance in which I can kick some people and
What a hit.
show my talent, like my action. So that is something I'm looking forward to, and definitely a simple girl, an innocent girl, something which can relate to the stories like daily, the kind of real stories which happening and like
In and
college
around,
girl.
like example,
In and around, real
how
stories.
the women were facing
Yeah.
nowadays.
Yeah, to be
Recently,
honest,
we
I
have
want
seen
to.
the Calcutta case, and
Yeah.
many cases were running in and around us.
Yeah.
Like in an investigation, we came to know that in India, for every minute,
Yeah.
all over the Indian country completely, at least one girl is accused.
Yes.
So why
Crimes
what's this happening?
are,
These type of films are you interested to do?
Yes, very much because I think nowadays people are not much interested in just looking for entertainment, but I think it's very important that we give a message through a film. I think we have done and we have seen so many entertainment films, family films, but what is happening in our country these days and what is happening these days, there should be a message in the film so that at least people also learn and know like what's happening and those films can also educate people.
You're completely transforming this interview as like you are into something section and you were so excited, you're so animated, you're telling it means you are into the depth of a topic
yes,
wherever you
yes.
go and you take the
Yes.
character into you.
Yeah. I'm
And
very
then-
much interested in doing films which are women oriented. I'm very much interested in playing roles which are strong enough
And
Like, you
romantic
know,
too, right?
romantic, of course. If we don't have our romantic songs and romance in the film, then nobody's gonna watch it, right? So we need that romance, but with that romance, we need a message which goes to the audience. Need to show the reality. Need to educate people who are not educated enough. That's why all these crimes and things are going on in our country. I hope like some kind of action has been taken, because this is something which is very,
Yes.
disheartening, to be honest. What's happening in our country, and like very very saddened, and like, very sad to see. And like sometimes, like, obviously we can't do things because it's not in our
Yes.
hands. What we can do is just like share the message. So I
Yes.
think everyone
Not to
has been
happen the
sharing.
next time.
Yeah, but again and again it's
We can
happening.
prevent, but
Yeah, it's repeating in India, and I think it's not late, but right time for people should take actions, and
yes.
should happen. So yeah, that's true.
Yes. So coming to Tollywood industry, so who's your favorite actor?
I like Junior NTR.
Devara. Oh, did you see Devara?
He is very cute, and
Did you see Devara?
Yeah, I
Oh.
saw it. And his dance is just like, I think anybody can go crazy for his dance moves. Like if I get a chance, to be honest, to dance with him, act with him, I think he's one of my favorite in our industry. Yeah.
సో ఇన్ ద టాప్ పొజిషన్ సో జూనియర్ ఎన్టీఆర్ ఫ్యాన్స్ అందరు కూడా ఒక లైక్ వేసేసుకోండి మరి జూనియర్ ఎన్టీఆర్ అంత పెద్ద ఫ్యాన్ అంట సో దేవర ఈ రోజే రిలీజ్ అయింది ఈ రోజు కూడా చూసేసిందంట సో ఇంత టఫ్ కాంపిటీషన్ లో కూడా టికెట్ సంపాదించింది పాప అంటే మామూలు విషయం కాదు సో హూస్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ యాక్ట్రెస్
Actress.
టు యాక్ట్రెసెస్
I think I really like Anushka Shetty.
Oh.
I think she's very natural. She's like very, her presence on the screen is just like you connect with her, and she's a wonderful actor, of course. Like
Yes, of course.
if I get a chance to work together, for sure, Anushka Shetty is my favorite.
Yes, so two characters were ready, and if you want to choose a director in Telugu film industry, exactly, whom would you choose?
Rajamouli sir, why not? Like he's everyone's favorite.
Yes,
Like of course, like the kind of films, his sets, his direction, like that is like a dream to work with him. If it comes true, dreams do come true. So just looking forward to
Obviously.
that. Rajamouli sir is my favorite.
So all the section have been taking the step by step.
Yeah.
So definitely in a picture, in a cinema, there will be a villain. So you like a male villain or a female villain?
I think I don't really. I think I don't have seen any female villains that much
It's
in
there.
It's there.
Yes.
Um.
Or else if you get a chance to make a
Yeah.
female villain, would you do that role?
If the character is like that, to be honest, I haven't thought about it. But obviously, as an actor, if there's something which is strong, I would love to, because that is the character that we are playing. Like,
Yes.
I would love to do something which is like, strong enough, women oriented. And sometimes you have to be the villain in the real life story also. So, kind of character
Oh.
where the girl is positive and later it turns into a villain kind of. But I think in male actors, I would say Sonu Sood sir.
I guess he is your co-actor in one of the film or somewhere else.
No, I actually, we promoted CCL cricket team in Dubai.
Okay.
Yeah. That's how I met him, because he's in the Chandigarh CCL
As
team.
we saw the picture
Yes.
in your social
Yes,
media
yes.
posts and all, so that
Yes.
we have thought that you have worked in some other Bollywood movie, so you both were co-actors in the movie.
Yes. No, it's just our hometown common thing, because he is a player in Chandigarh cricket team, and I'm originally from Chandigarh. So we met in Dubai, and then we promoted CCL, and such a humble actor, and he's amazing, of course. Like I think everyone is so fond of
Obviously.
him, especially like on screen and even off screen.
Yes.
The kind of works he's doing
In the COVID pandemic time, it was
yeah. That is
crucial.
something anybody can relate, and especially like our audience and people and common people. So he's just very inspiring, to be honest. Like
Yes. So let us know all about the Chandigarh story. Have run to Dubai again here in Hyderabad. Again, she's gonna start some more movies in the Tollywood. So let us all know from her mind.
sure.
Let us read her mind.
Sure. Come on, let's have a
Done.
seat. Let's have coffee and
Sure.
let's chit-chat.
So Shobita, you're a vegan, right? I have seen that is also on the Instagram post itself,
Yeah.
obviously.
Yeah. I
So-
love promoting veganism.
Why you have changed it to vegan? Before COVID, you were a non-veg. I've
Yes.
seen she's
Yes.
eating a chicken piece and all, chicken leg
All my
piece
stories
and
you must
chicken
have seen.
chest piece and all, you were having like huge
Before,
chicken
before.
biryani also in Hyderabad.
Yes, yes.
But why you have changed? What's the reason? What made you to
See,
come
I'll
to
tell
vegan?
you. So to be honest, I've been a non-vegetarian since my childhood. I used to have non-veg. I was not even vegetarian, but during the COVID, like I saw few documentaries and the reality of our dairy industry, the meat industry, and once you see the reality, what goes on inside with the animals, once you see that, you will also stop eating animals. I'll tell you. And I think I saw one documentary only for 10 minutes in the night.
Okay.
And the next day I woke up and I decided that I'm turning vegan and I'm not eating any meat, any
Any
animals.
dairy products?
Yeah,
and all.
yeah. And from that very day, I didn't even get any cravings. Like,
Okay.
sometimes you'll feel that how
That
you
have
can,
to come from the heart.
yeah, because I saw the reality, like how animals are treated. We all know about the meat industry, like how they are killed.
Yes.
But dairy industry is also not good. It's like, I think killing an animal or torturing that animal, for me, it's very similar because torturing and killing is on the same page. So once you see the reality, I saw the reality, like how the cows are being treated, how their babies are being separated from their mom, because all that kind
It's
of
like
things.
in nature. It's a nature. It's
No. So basically, the
obviously.
milk which is of the cow milk is only for the baby. It's actually not for humans, the cow milk. But it's kind of myth people are following, and I am somebody who is like, I do obviously promote veganism on my stories. I do like tell people, but usually I don't discuss the veganism topic. Why? Because everybody has this one or two question. Oh, you're a vegan, so how do you get your protein from? And how do you
Then how
get
do you
vegan?
balance the nutritions and all as while you're making the workouts,
Yeah.
gym, jog, or else
Yeah.
running and all,
See.
the athletics, as you told that you are a.
Yeah. See, what I do,
So how do you balance?
I only eat plants. And if you see all the animals that we are eating, like chicken and all the animals, they all eat plants. Right? So if you are getting protein, you're eating an animal and you think you're getting protein from the animal, but that animal is eating a plant. So you are getting the protein from the animal. If you start eating the plant, you directly get the protein. Because if you see all these animals, they are vegetarian. They eat only plants, cows and chicken and all of them. So
Yes.
plants is the main source of protein, which animals are also eating. I'm
While you're
getting the
telling, it's
protein
like I'm just
straight.
going back to my schooling life and I'm just reminding all the physics class. It's a
Yeah.
direct and the indirect process of the food we are taking.
Yeah.
Example.
That
like,
is true
yeah.
because all the animals were being eaten. They all eat plants, and if you do a little bit study, like everybody, like even I didn't know when I was eating non-vegetarian, and when my vegetarian friends used to tell me, I used to say, no, how can you eat veg biryani and how can you eat a veg pizza? But once you get into the reality, and these days everybody are going for healthy choices.
Yes.
It's all about health. It's all about like sustainable products, sustainability. That is the future. Veganism
Even
is
after
the future.
COVID also, the life has been changed a lot.
Yeah.
Even the daily routine, the food, the diet, the nutritions, and in every part of the life cycle
Yeah.
and every day,
Hmm.
the life cycle has changed after the COVID. So
Yeah,
after COVID, Shobita have changed it to vegan. So this was a long-lasting story of the vegan girl.
Yeah. I am vegan, and I think everybody should eat plants. If you want proteins, eat plants, and everybody should care for animals because how much like we guys are on the planet, the animals have the equal right to be here. So obviously, like I am an animal advocate, and I think this is a decision that I've taken for my life to be vegan for life for sure. And to be honest, I'll tell you, like even being an influencer, like I do work with so many brands. I don't promote any products that include any kind of animal thing, right? Like any animal
Yes.
products. I don't promote those kinds of brand. Like how much money they give me and how much they tell me that we want you to promote this. That is something against my values and my like morals.
Yeah.
So I've made a choice, like if I am somebody who's like an inspiration to people, I want to inspire people too. It's not always just about your work, but I think some things are like your values, which like are important. So I've made a decision to promote only sustainable brands, which doesn't include any animal products. And yeah.
So Shobita, I have few personal questions. Is it okay for you to?
Yeah, sure.
Yes. So
What do
are
you
you
wanna
in
know,
relation?
Nisha?
Are you in relation?
No.
Sure.
Yes.
Such a beautiful girl.
No one is that good enough, no? So I've been single from last 4 years, And I know, like, even I get so many messages from fans and everybody. There's a confusion, what like
Or you're in
false
relation, or
knowledge.
what? Many people are in confusion actually.
Yeah, I am single from last 4 years. Very
Okay.
much single. I'm not in a relationship, and that's the truth. You're hearing from my mouth.
Wait, did you dreamed any rumor to have for you?
Not really. I think you would be the perfect person who would be knowing rumors, because you are somebody who knows all the things which are happening in our industry. So I think you must be knowing, but I think I have not
No,
come across
as a
anything.
journalist, we come across all over Indian actors, all
Yeah.
the rumors and all. So as a
Yeah.
journalist, we'll be coming to know.
Yeah.
So I'm taking to your personal thing, and I'm asking you.
Yeah, yeah.
Suppose Shobita has a dream that, acha, I had a crush on so and so person. So if I get a rumor on that person, when I take a picture,
Yeah.
and then that rumor will be spreading all over the India and all. That type of a rumor I'm asking you.
Nothing, to be honest.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Yes, so tell me, what are the upcoming projects in Tollywood industry for you?
To be honest, right now I'm just hearing few scripts, because since I moved to Dubai,
Okay.
I did one film, which is the last film that I did, Ranga Ranga. And after that, I took a break for a few months, because, moving to a different country, it takes time to settle down and everything. And I didn't want to be like in a hurry burry and all. So I'm just like listening to few scripts and hearing few narrations, and hopefully I can announce
Very soon.
a good project very soon. And for now, like a song which is coming up next
Yes.
for me.
So you have worked with Panja Vaishnav Tej, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So how was the journey between you both guys?
It was good. He's a very like a good actor, a very good co-artist, and very sweet guy, very down to earth, very nice. Yeah, yeah. We had other actors also, Naveen Chandra,
Yes.
and very a
So
senior
when the
artist.
story have come to you,
Yeah.
when you listen the story completely,
Hmm.
what's a thing have been run in your mind? Like, acha, this was the character. Is that character? Can I do it or not? What did you feel like? It's a nervous or happy or excited? What are the mixed emotions have been run?
See, to be honest, I was a little bit disappointed
Okay.
with Ranga Ranga Vaibhavanga, because this is not how the story was narrated to me. Because I was told that it's a family drama and the story revolves around like four characters.
Four characters, yes.
And later on during the shoot, I realized that it's going in a different direction, and more than a family drama, it's going in a romantic film.
Shubhita, are you interested in Tamil industry? Because Telugu and Tamil are very similar, and the both the character artists will be shifting from Telugu to Tamil, Tamil to its neighboring state. So, are you interested in Tamil industry?
Of course, I'm definitely looking forward to work in Tamil industry, Malayalam industry. I think amazing stories, and especially Malayalam industry, they're coming up with really good, stories. I'm definitely looking forward to that, and I think I'm hearing scripts, and hopefully might
You're gonna sign
announce
very soon.
very soon. Yeah, for sure.
Yes. So, when you entered the film industry,
Hmm.
did you face any casting couch or something like that?
To be honest, I believe it's definitely there, but I have not faced till now, because I feel I'm very new to the industry. I've only done like 3-4 films. Till now, it has been like a beautiful journey. But I do believe it's there, not even in our film industry. I believe it's in every stream, like every industry is there. Like it's everywhere.
Yes.
I
So
feel that.
most of the actors and actor, everyone goes from their original language to Bollywood.
Hmm.
But you are here from Bollywood, you are coming to the Tollywood, Collywood, Mollywood and all. So
Yeah.
how was your experience?
To be honest, I first started with Punjabi industry. I did 2 Punjabi films. Then I did a Bollywood film. And as we all know, like obviously everyone wants to be in the Bollywood. Even obviously, I want to be in Bollywood and do Bollywood films. But I've always felt that the South industry has really interesting stories and good stories. And that's how I got attracted to the South
More
industry. Yeah, and especially like, it's very entertaining how
and
they
realistic
show,
things.
especially the fight sequence, like, the hero is kicking someone and the person flies away and like falls
At
away
least
somewhere.
1 kilometer away,
Yeah.
it will be run.
Yeah, I think the best part about South industry is like the movies are very entertaining. Like I think even if you don't understand the language, like even if you don't have subtitles, like the Movies like it's
You can
automatically.
understand with the actions.
You can understand,
and the
especially-
emotion scenes
yeah,
and all.
especially the action is like so funny. I think that's how the first time I think on TV I watched some South movie and I saw the action and I was like just laughing because it was so funny and entertaining. And then later, like, you know, I heard few scripts from the South industry. I thought like obviously the stories are interesting because always like I want to do something which is like women oriented and strong role.
Yes.
And obviously Bollywood is Bollywood for sure. I would love to work in Bollywood as well, but I think it's just about films and your passion. Like I want to do films, but I'm not like selective that I only want to do Bollywood and only want to do Tollywood. You know, like being an actor, I want to have variations. I want to work with different directors, and we have so much talent. There's so many talented directors in South, so many talented directors in Bollywood. We have so much talent, to be honest.
Yes.
And jahan se bhi like I'm getting good offers, I'm getting good recognition, I'm happy to work there. Let it be Tamil industry, Malayalam industry, Telugu, Kannada. I'm open for all the films.
Can you speak in Telugu for us?
Okay, I'll try. నాకు తెలుగు సినిమా అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం.
Oh, chala cute ga cheppavu. You have told very cute. Some of the words like regular talks. Do you know something?
విన్నావా?
That will be first. Yeah.
That is the first thing because food is something.
All time.
Yeah, all time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Some more. Do you remember something in your set?
ఇక్కడ
Ikkada means here.
yeah.
Yeah.
మంచిగా ఉన్నావా?
Oh, jabardast hai. Wow, that was so
Amazing.
nice. That was
Thank
so
you,
nice.
thank you.
So we wish you all success to you in all the industries, not only in the Bollywood and Punjabi and Tollywood. Have to go to Mollywood, Collywood, in all the woods. You have to be like a wood, like.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
So catch Shobita Rana very soon in Madhura Audio, one of the beautiful romantic song తో మన ముందుకు వస్తుంది. So don't miss all updates regarding Shobita Rana. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you for
Yes.
coming. Namaskaram.
Oh wow. So that's all about Shobita Rana. This is Diksha Seth signing off. Take care. Stay tuned to Volga Videos.
మనస్ఫూర్తిగా శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్ వోల్గా వీడియోస్. కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ టు ది హోల్ టీమ్.
Congratulations.
కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ అండి.
Congratulations.
Hearty congratulations.
Congratulations.
A very hearty congratulations to Volga Videos.
Congratulations.
I'd like to congratulate Volga Videos.
Volga Videos ki congrats అండి.